This is animated container widget in Flutter. So after we click on this widget, it will expand like this with an animation that animated container provides for us. So let's explain this code. At the top of this, we have these variables, container width and container height. The initial value is 100, and we have color property, it's red for default. We have change size function that will expand the container like this. If it is 100, it will be 115. If it's not, it will be 100. So we have this functionality of click on the widget. The same for container widths and the same for color. If color is red, it will be purple, and if it's purple, it will be red. In the scaffold widget, we have center widget. In the center widget, we have gesture detector widget. So we can change size function to the on top of this widget. In the gesture detector child, we have animated container. It has duration of this animation. So let's give it 200. We have widths, container widths, we have height, we have color, and the child of animated container will be our widget, like text widget or anything else. In the child of animated container, we have center widget. In the child of center widget, we have the text with color of white. So we have this beautiful animation in Flutter using animated container.